Hi guys, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to find the distance between 2 points. So, the formula used is the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. And if you get that and you rationalize that, then you would get your distance. So, what does this x 2 and all this thing mean? Well, the first coordinate that you have, this will be known as x1 and y1. Your other one would be x2 and y2. Okay? So now from this, what you're going to do is you're going to find x sub 2. X sub 2 is 2. So we're going to go ahead and write 2. And we're going to subtract that by x sub 1, which is negative 2. Then you would get 4. And now you're going to get, so now since you know that it's 4, what you do is now your new equation becomes 4 squared. And then, so what you're going to do is when you've done 4 squared, you would get 16. So, you do 16 plus y squared is 1, subtracted by y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Y sub 1 is 3. You subtract that, you get negative 2. Now, since you've got negative 2, squaring negative 2 would just give you 4. So 16 plus 4 would be equal to 20. If you square root that, you would get 2 radical 5. Now, 2 radical 5 is about, I think, 4.47. And that would be your distance between this point and this point. So let's go ahead and do another one. Same thing, you use that formula. So we do x sub 2. X sub 2 is right here. Subtract that by that. So you get negative 2 minus 5. And then what we do is you do this. You get negative 7. And once you've got negative 7, you square that. You get 49. Now once you've gotten 49, you're going to get that. And you're going to add that with y sub 2, negative 5, subtracted by 8. And then what you get is you get you're going to get 13, negative 13. And then once you've got negative 13, you're going to square that, which I think is 169. And once you've gotten that, you're going to add that together and square root that. Once you've done that, you would get the square root of 218. And when you have 218, what you're going to do next is you're going you're going to find the square root of that. Once you've done that, you're going to get about 14.76. So you can use the same concept to find the distance between in 3 dimensionals, like the z-axis. It's the same thing, but you just add z sub 2 minus z sub 1 squared, and it's just the same thing. So that's how you find the distance between 2 points. Thank you, guys.